What is the single biggest upgrade you can make to your PC rig? It's not your GPU, not your CPU, it's what you're staring at right now. But with so many specs, 4K, OLED, 360Hz, how do you choose? We've tested over 50 panels to find the absolute best PC gaming monitor of 2025. And our number one pick. Dramatic pause, sound of a breathtakingly smooth panning shot in a game, has a response time so fast, it's almost cheating. Let's find your perfect match. Number 1. Samsung Odyssey G6 OLED Gaming Monitor. For some gamers, refresh rate is the most important factor, giving you time to respond in the snappiest of shooters. At 1440p, the Samsung Odyssey G6, 8 out of 10, Wired review, can reach a teetering 360Hz, and I know some of you are already dreaming of perfectly tuning your Counter-Strike 2 or Valorant settings to get over 300 frames per second. It still has an OLED panel for when you don't feel like getting sweaty, and FreeSync Premium Pro, which means you get better HDR support, even when your frame rate isn't smooth. It's a versatile screen and great for daily gaming or productivity. Unless you have the graphics card to power it, and plan on playing over 240Hz often, it's worth saving the cash and getting the panel upgrade to the AOC. Number 2. AOC Q27 G4XN. If you're willing to compromise on panel type, the AOC Q27 G4XN packs 180Hz of refresh into a 27-inch 1440p screen. The VA panel doesn't have quite the same black levels as the QD OLED of our other screens, but for under $200, I think it's a great starting option, or an upgrade for your aging 1080p screen. It still has a nice high refresh rate, with adaptive sync to keep your gameplay smooth. The major downside of VA panels is that they don't have good off-angle viewing, so you'll want to make sure the screen is sitting right in front of you. I put in some hours gaming on the G4XN, and it never really bothered me, but it might be problematic as a second screen if you aren't sitting right in front of it. Number 3. Philips 241 V8LB. If you're on a really tight budget, you should check out the Philips V8 series. These 1080p VA panels feature a 100Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync, which is a boon for gamers who may not be able to maintain a perfect 100 frames per second. It's not a perfect screen, with some blurring possible at high refresh rates in snappier games, but it has the right specs for occasional gaming or less demanding titles. For under $100, you could do a lot worse, and with a healthy 4-year warranty, it would make a great second screen if you decide to upgrade down the road. With 1080p screens, I'd also recommend sizing down to 24 inches. The higher pixel density will help the lower resolution not feel as noticeable. Number 4. AOC Q27 G4ZD27. 240Hz refresh rate, 0.03 milliseconds GTG response time. Unleash unprecedented fluidity to help you dominate the playing field and speed into victory. State-of-the-art OLED panel. The self-luminous OLED panel makes everything you love on screen come alive with genuine blacks, extreme color accuracy, and over 1.07 billion colors. Ultra-high clarity, 27-inch AOC gaming monitor with 2K Quad HD 2560 by 1440 resolution OLED panel for excellent visuals and superb colors. Outstanding visuals, HDR10 produces rich details, diverse contrast, and wide color gamut, 110.2% DCI-P3, 147.6% sRGB, for full immersion. It also further synchronizes your GPU or console with your monitor, resulting in unparalleled smoothness of action. Better console gaming. OGON by AOC gaming monitors are designed to maximize the performance of your consoles by unleashing up to 120Hz frame rate. Exact performance depends on consoles, and ultra-low latency, giving you an edge over your opponents. Number 5. Samsung 27-inch Odyssey. Immerse yourself in breathtaking detail, explore worlds with unparalleled clarity. This QD OLED screen delivers crystal-clear 4K quality on a 27-inch display with an incredible pixel density of 166 ppi, ensuring that every detail stands out in every game. Stay in the game without distraction. Keep playing. Uninterrupted point superscript 1 glare-free technology makes your screen 54% less glossy than conventional anti-reflection film, keeping it clear of reflections from external light sources. Spot the details in the dark. Uncover hidden elements in your favorite games. Point superscript 2 Visa Display HDR True Black 400 helps display true, rich blacks without light bleed, enhancing contrast and color depth. Outmaneuver opponents with supreme speed. Take your most intense gaming sessions to new heights. Point superscript 3 Experience ultra-smooth gameplay and razor-sharp visuals with a 240Hz refresh rate and 0.03 milliseconds GTG response time. Get smooth action without disruption. G-Sync compatibility syncs the GPU and panel to reduce choppiness, screen lag and image tearing. Along with AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, it creates ultra-smooth scenes that let you game with a competitive edge. And that's the monitor that will truly unlock your PC's potential. Whatever your budget or game genre, one of these is your endgame screen. Ready to see the competition differently? All the links to check the latest prices and buy your new monitor are waiting for you in the description below. If this guide leveled up your knowledge, hit that like button, share it with your squad, and subscribe for everything you need to build the ultimate setup. Game on!